Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic notice. So notice you have maybe seen sometimes there are certain slips that are being hung on the notice board in the school on which some informations are being displayed, like there is certain exhibition or there is certain function about that, the notice is being printed on that, the information is being printed. That is known as the notice. So notice is written and displayed to make any piece of information public, and its purpose is to make people aware of an event or happening. So notice basically it's just a written information that is written in order to publicize it, in order to make everybody know about it, and its purpose is just to make everybody aware about the event. So even maybe anything, as I told you, science exhibition or anything, and in the notice there is always the time, date, venue, these all are being printed in the notice. It's always being written, so the content should be clear so that the reader should be able to understand the whole information. So let's talk about the format. The name of the organization, institution and office issuing notice. It is not necessary that only in schools the notices are being displayed, but certain organizations or institutions or any offices, those who want to publicize their any certain piece of information, they can display their notice on their notice board or maybe in the newspaper or in any other way. So after writing the name of the organizations, you have to write the name, word notice, then heading, for what purpose the notice is being made, then date of issue, then contents. In contents you have to tell about everything. You have to write about everything, about the date of the event, about the time, the person to whom to be contacted if there is exhibition or any other functions, to whom one has to contact, the name of that person. So everything relating to the event should be written in the contents. Then the signature of the person who is issuing that notice, the name of that person, and the designation of the person should be written in the notice. Designation here means maybe the head boy has published certain notice, or a principal has published certain notice. So designation here means principal or a head boy. So in this way the notice is being written. I am repeating: first of all, the name of the organization, institution and office issuing notice, then you have to write the word notice, then the heading, for what purpose the notice is being issued, then the date of issue, then the contents, the whole information about the notice, then the signature of the person issuing the notice, his name, his or her name, and the designation of the person who is writing the notice, that is like head boy, principal. In the school usually the notices are being imprinted like that only. So this is the way only the notice has to be written. Then later we'll speak about it in the class. Thank you so much.